Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error. So if you see Instagram problem, follower decreasing, so how you can fix it. So mostly it happened because you just use some services for increasing your followers count. So and sometime after Instagram just remove some followers from your account. So it's a usual situation, and also you know that sometimes Instagram just removes some inactive accounts uh, from your account, or some banned accounts. So it can also happen, but also my recommendation for you will be that just try to use only organic methods, like adding hashtags to your posts, or just setting started following someone, and they just started following you. Only organic, because this way Instagram won't remove followers in future from your account. So this is the most undanger way to get more followers. So just try. I hope it will help you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Subscribe to my channel. Click like and goodbye.